Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. Just wait for a 1 minute. Okay, our friends may have to go join. Just wait for a 1 minute. Yeah, all the students already they are completed that is nature of the matters yesterday. Yes, and as well as now we are going with about the next concept. There is a yesterday we already completed. What is that? A plasma. Okay, state of plasma. Yes, we are not completed this state of plasma. Yeah, all the students can I ask there is names of elements. Anyone is ready from any branch? The 20 elements names and as well as the number of electrons present in it, number of protons are present in it. Anyone you knows? Those Kunda branch students, please respond to my questions. You know the no or not knows? Go to Safai Kuda students. The names of 20 elements. What is the use further we go here? Anish Fatima looks like the PMM capacity somewhat. KTS Kapra branch, Alwal branch,
Suchitra branch.
Yeah, anyone who knows the 20 element names? Suchitra branch.
Madam? Yeah, I'm teachers and my students knows that.
Can it is possible to say? No?
My student knows the elements. Listen, sir. Tell.
Yeah, madam. Give the choice to them who spoke. Tell me, Nana. What's your name? If possible, on video. On video.
Sir, listen, sir.
Hydrogen.
On video, madam. Any other branch students are also please that.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, neon.
Oxygen.
Neon.
Oxygen. After oxygen.
Neon.
One more element name you forgotten.
Sir, after oxygen, fluorine, sir.
Fluorine. Yeah, very good. Next.
Sir, my students are telling, listen, sir.
Yeah, very good, madam. Very good. Up to 10 it will be completed. Any more 10? More 10 from sodium to calcium?
Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium.
Very good. Well done. Well done. Okay. Yes.
10 more, sir. Another student, 10 more.
Sir, after calcium, cadmium, vanadium, titanium, chromium, magnesium, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc.
Very good. Very good. Very well done, madam. And I'm very proud of you. And any one of the students, what is the 16th element name?
Hello.
16th
Sulfur.
Sulfur, sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay. And do one thing if you don't know and how to habitate, you know. Yes, all the students, I want to give one trick for you. Okay, now, yes, for memorize these elements names purpose. In your class, there is somewhat 10 members are there or 12 members are named. Name them, okay, up to 10 days, name them with elements only. Okay, of your friends. And call with that name only. Okay, now,
Okay,
in spite of rule number, in spite of rule number, you give the name for that student with that element's name only in our science class. Okay, automatically after some days you habitate with that. Okay, yes, oxygen, hydrogen, like that. There is a give the name for them. Okay, because of that they know the names and number of that element, and as well as the remaining all the people also get the names. Okay, this is a better thing to yes get that elements names in order. Okay, thank you, Suchitra branch students. And tomorrow go with the other branch. Yes. And now we go with our class now. Yeah, please mute it, madam. Yeah, now there is a plasma state. What is the state of plasma? Okay, now, yes, how we recognize the plasma state and where we are using that state actually. Okay, that is only now we are going to discuss here. Yes, and already yesterday we are discussed. That is, suppose we have taken a sodium chloride. Okay, now, yes, this is the common star. In this one, okay, sodium is in a plus state and chlorine is in a minus state. But actually, the sodium contains how many electrons? 11 electrons, and as well as the 11 protons are there. Okay, clear or not? But in the form of Na plus, it is a contain. What happened here? One electron is the losses. That is a 10 electrons, and as well as the what here? 11 protons are there. There is a what equal number is not here. Yes, understood or not? Now, when come for a chlorine, it will become what negative ion. In this particular situation, before going to negative ion, it will become as a what? It will be contain 7 electrons and as well as 7 protons are there. Positive particles are there. Okay, when it is a become ion as a ion, yes.
17 electrons, 17 protons.
Yes. Chlorine minus means it is a contain 18 electrons now. Okay, na? And as well as 17 protons only. Got it or not? This is called actually ion nature. But when we take some gases, they called inert gases, they not okay, yes, they not involved in a chemical reactions actually most of the things. But after ionizing also, it is a contain equal number of positive charged ions and with the what negative charged ions. They become ionized. The gas like a neon, the gas like a argon, the light gas like a krypton, the gas like a yes xenon, the gas like a radon. These all are called helium. Okay, clear or not all the students except the helium. Okay, now the remaining all these gases they call the inert gases. These gases are what called it is inert gases. Okay, now are noble gases. Okay, clear or not? The gases are become ionized also like this only. But they maintain what in ionization form also they maintain what actually yes equal number of protons and equal number of electrons. It is correct actually when it is become ionized automatically the number of electrons are either may decrease or may increase depending on ionic nature. Suppose it is a positive ion, it loses its electron. The number of electrons are decreases, number of protons are increases. Okay, clear or not all this? Yes, and as well as when it is a become, okay, now not increases as usually whatever there that is only there, but it become more number. Understood or not? 11 protons, 11 positive particles, 11 electrons are. And now it is a chlorine. Chlorine contains 18 electrons, 17 protons when it is a become as ion. But our neon is not like that. Neon in case of plus or a minus situation also, depending on the situation, they contain 10 electrons, 10 protons. They contain 10 electrons, 10 proton only. This nature of the substance is only called what? Ionic nature. This substance is called what? Plasma state. This state is called what? Plasma state. When some gases or when some substances are after ionizing also, they maintain same number of protons, same number of electrons. Got it or not? That is only called what? Plasma state. Okay, now especially this plasma state contains for inert gases. Most of the inert gases are yes, available in the plasma state. Where we observe this plasma thing actually. Yes, the liquids, solids, and gases are observed. Okay, na? Yes, generally, daily it is a content. Daily we use that solids, liquids, and gases. You are taken a rice, that is a solid. You taken a water or a milk, it is a liquid. You are respirated the gas. The nature of matters, whatever the three number is there. Regularly, we are used it. Got it or daily we are used. Yes, but this plasma is used daily. It is appear for us. Yeah. Yes, it is appear somewhere. The mainly they appear in where yes, on a fluorescent light bulbs. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as yes, and this is in a star also it will be yes observed in the form of a plasma only. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as when you observe there is our fluorescent light bulbs, they not contain our regular light bulbs. Inside the long tube in a gas, it will be there. Okay, electricity when it is flows through that gas, it will be converted ionization format and they contain in a plasma state. Okay, clear or not all the students? When you check here nowadays, we'll get the what okay, na fluorescent bulbs. Okay, na street light somewhere in a street light. Nowadays they are used to LED lights. That is the different. But in a experiment purpose, we are used that fluorescent bulbs and all these things. Otherwise, once check it in your home. Yes, one bulb is there in that one. One more tube like this U-shaped tube may contain inside it. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is a called what fluorescent bulb. In that one, what is there? No, that our inert gases are there. Bulb is like this, and as well as it will be contained in a tube-like format. Okay, clear or not? Like these bulbs are observed in your daily life somewhere. Okay, in your home also somewhere it will be there. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, and in that particular things, what the gas is there? Yes, it is the contain one gas like helium, neon, okay, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, like that. Okay, that all are contained in a plasma state. Okay, when we send the electricity through it, it will become what? Ionized and it become as a okay plasma state. They contain equal number of electrons, equal number of protons in ionized format also. Okay, that type of states are called plasma states. Sir, it is not possible in our solids and liquids and gases. Yes, in case they ionize it. Okay, suppose you take a liquids and suppose you take a solids H2O. Already yesterday we have discussed it. H plus OH minus. Okay, clear. NaCl, it is a solid only. But it will be contain of what? Na plus Cl minus. In some gases also CO2. Okay, clear or not? Yes, carbon is a plus, oxygen is a minus. Okay, now yes, understood or not all the students? They contain somewhat compulsory as a combination of two elements. They should in a ionized form. In one element also, oxygen is the O2. Oxygen, whatever gas they are taking, it is also okay na in ionization format only. That is contain compulsory not equal number of proton, equal number of neutron. They share the number of electrons and proton combined together. That is because of a chemical bond, covalent bond. It is called. Okay, we get it in earlier classes, but they compulsory contain not equal number of protons to equal number of electron as in a molecular state. Okay, clear or not? I hope you got it. When not in a molecular state, may contain an equal number of proton and equal number of electrons only. Okay, clear. Sodium without or combined with one another, it is not a container what unequal number of electrons and protons. 11 electrons, 11 protons are only contained in sodium. Okay, now singly sodium when take singly. But when we take it is a combination of others, it will become what? It loses electrons, it's gain the electrons. Okay, yes, clear or not? Yes, that is why there is a electron number never equal to become as proton number as in a molecular state, as in a as chemical formula, chemical combination state. But these our gases are contained as equal number of protons and equal number of electrons. are not contained in ionized form also, that state is only called what? That state is only called plasma. That state of the substance is only called plasma. Yes, especially it will be available in a fluorescent bulb in our regular life. Okay, when we provide a temperature, when we provide electricity, they undergoes ionizing. Yes, but they not contain same number of electrons and as well as the protons. Got it? This is only about our plasma states. Got it? And next, and the plasma states is also appeared where stars also, our sun and the remaining all the stars whatever appear, yes, they contain a what? This plasma state. Why? Because in a star, what is the food for it? Helium. Okay, now most of the stars contain helium. Our sun contain what? The material? Helium, hydrogen and as well as the helium. Okay, now hydrogen is combined with one another, it formed as a helium. Okay, now not hydrogen actually. Yes, there is a deuterium. Okay, now yes, and as well as the deuterium. Yes, and as well as the deuterium. These all are combined. They formed as a helium because of nuclear fusion process. Yes, nuclear fusion is nothing but we called atomic bombs. Okay, na, and as well as the nuclear bombs. We call it is like that, na. And Hiroshima and Nagasaki in social studies may you get due to the Second World War. At the time of Second World War, okay, na, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the two towns, they influenced by the what? This nuclear explosion. Okay, clear or not? Yes, like the thousands of bombs, nuclear bombs are equal to one atomic bomb. Okay, now yes, one atom is a formed combination of more than one atoms. That is called a nuclear fission. That reaction is going on where? That reaction is going on sun. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and at that place there is the helium is the formed. The helium is the formation of helium is the produced enormous amount of temperature. Under particular situation, the helium is also in ionization form. Okay, now that is also plasma state only. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Helium is nothing but what is the number of helium? Atomic number 2. Okay, now yes, it should be contain 2 electron, 2 protons. But when it is ionized, it may not contain 2. But it is a contain 2 in a plasma state. Understood, all of you? What is this 2? Electron number and as well as the proton number. It is the same after given high temperature also, after given electricity also, after given ionization process also. They contain same number of electrons, same number of proton. It is a called what? It is a called a plasma state. Understood, all of you? That is a called fourth state of matter. Understood or not? Here there is a where it will be available in our general life, fluorescent and as well as stars. Okay, na fluorescent bulbs and as well as the stars also. The information is contained in your textbook. Yes, at page number 6 it is. Okay, yes, once read that. Next, after this, there is a where after that there is a Bose and Einstein is a given. Okay, one more property already I discussed with you. Yes, what is that? Higgs boson. What is that Higgs boson? Higgs boson is what? Forgot it. Which is the first? Now got it? And is the first or egg is the first? Nothing will be first. Which one is the first? Higgs boson is the first particle till now. It is also called God particle. Pure total universe is came from where? That Higgs boson. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that Higgs boson is combined together. It will be formed as a one particle. That particle again and again combined together, it's formed as a proton. Yes, and it will be some part of proton is only formed as an electron. A proton and electron combined together formed as a neutron. Neutron, proton, electron, and these all Higgs boson like particles are combined together formed as a atom. Okay, atom and atom combined together formed as a molecule. Molecule combined together formed as a substance. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Substances and substances combined together formed as a matter. Understand all of you? From that matter, we are all formed. The chalk piece is formed from that matters only. We also formed from the matter only. The big elephant is also formed from matter only. The big mountains are also formed from that matter only. Everything is a contain. The common things are what? These atoms. Understood all of you? Every atom is a contain what? This electron, proton, neutron. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And these Higgs bosons and all these things. Okay, yes. There is a one more particle is given. What is that, Nana? Bose-Einstein condensed state. If plasmas are super hot and super excited atoms, if the atoms in a Bose-Einstein condensed state are totally opposite. They are unexcited and the super cold atoms. Okay, now yes. This is only called a conductors. Okay, now one more state is also there. That is a what, Nana? Condensed state. What is the condensed state? Yes, plasmas. Whatever the plasmas are heated here. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Plasmas are heated here. They are become as excited atoms, and that excited atoms are okay now. Yes, condensed state are totally opposite. They are called super condenser. They become what? Super condensed state. Yeah, all the students listen carefully here. Very, very important, but a depth concept. Okay, simply I want to give for that information for you. Yes, when the plasma is heated more or cooled more, okay, now they change the process. Not a plasma, our regular solids and as well as the gases also, okay, now changes their state in a super condensed nature. Okay, what is the super condensers? Very, very important and as well as interesting thing for all the students. Okay, now yes, if you want to become a scientist, okay, now this is the best topic for you. Super condensers. Okay, now that is called a super atoms. Okay, clear or not, all the students? That atom are not changes its the nature. For anything you want to give electricity, it is not response. You want to give the heat, it is not response. Okay, clear or not? Means what? You know very well Superman. Superman is not exposed to, Superman is not shocked by electricity, na? Yes, clear or not? Batman, Superman, you are heroes. Okay, na? You are what? You want to play with that particular roles in your mobile games and all these things, na? They are not they are not get a shock because of electricity. They are not undergo the fire because of the heart. Okay, clear or not? How it is possible, you know, when they contain a high condensed state or low condensed state. Condensed means what? It flows through it. Okay, clear or not? When we provide a low temperature, okay, now the total electricity somewhat flows through it. Okay, clear or not? Somewhat type, not a flow through it. The opposite nature and against nature, they both are contained at high temperatures and as well as the low temperature. They behave like that. Okay, clear or not? Now, whatever the electricity is come from whatever electricity is generated in our Srisailam, the total electricity utilized in that our purpose? No. Somewhat losses when the passes through the wires. Okay, clear or not? That is called Ohm's law. In your higher classes may get for you. V is directly proportional to I. Okay, got it or not? What is a V? Potential difference. Okay, now in the cells, in our cells there is a given what 5 volts. Okay, now yes, 1.5 volts. We are used for a experiments purpose or at the time of science exhibition purpose. And that when they written what 5 volts, 1.5 volts like that. Okay, clear or not? Yes, when you are take here, okay, now our mobile plug. Okay, now it will be what taken charging into our mobile. Actually, we are using the same thing for heater. We are using the same thing for TV. We are using the same thing for mixing for our mummy. And as well as we are using the same plug in all the ways or not. What is the difference? In a plug, somewhat difference is there. In material, somewhat difference is there. Our mobile charger is a content this much of yes, very big thing. Okay, normally the plugs are very small. Yes, clear. Our TV plug is our mobile plug is same. No, it is not same. Okay, somewhat opposed by somewhat current, whatever comes from that plug, it is opposed by which our charger. It will be heated or not. Long time when you put it. Okay, why it is, it is opposed the flow of current. That is called resistance. That is called resistance. Every substance is a resist the current somewhat. But when it is in a condensed state, super condensed state, how much current is coming from that plug, that much of it is taken by it. Okay, now actually that much of current is not taken by it. We are used to it, but it will be not enter into our mobile. In case the total current, how much it is taken by the TV, the total current, how much it is taken by the any other electrical consumer, it taken by our mobile, totally it will be smashed. It will be opposite something. That opposite nature is called resistance. Understand all of you? And in case there is we provide a low temperature. Okay, now it will become as a superconductor. The wires are become as a superconductor, and whatever the current will be comes for our plug, that much of current is passes through it. Okay, now no loss in the current. Okay, clear or not? Actually, whatever the current is produced at a Srisailam, nothing not current actually, voltage, electrical energy produced at that particular place, that totally not comes to us. Okay, clear or not? How much it is 230 volt, there is a voltage is there, only just we are convert that meter into 20 amperes only. Okay, now there is suppose you use the 5 volt battery. The 5 volt battery not a convert 5 amperes current. Okay, just it is only 1 ampere or 0.6 amperes only. Sir, where it is because remaining? Yeah, it is opposed by the wire. It is opposed by the material. In case that will be take at a super condenser state, 5 amperes also will be get for us, not 0.6. 5 volts is a given 5 ampere. That is the one type of state of matter. Understand all of you? That is what we call super atoms. When atom is become super atom at a high temperatures or at a low temperature, at that time there it is a possible empty state. Okay, clear or not all the students? That is another state. That is a super condensed state. Till it will be experiments are going on. Okay, for achieving the super condensed state of every material. Okay, now it will be now possible with the solids only. For the liquids, it is till now it is going on. Okay, clear or not? Why? Because till now we don't know what is there in an atom totally. Till now there is an atom. What will be there? Okay, now yes, and here only 132 particles are only find out by the scientists in the atom. Atom is nothing but not a biggest thing like you and me. It is a very smallest thing, minor thing in our body is a what? Atom. Not in our body, in the universe is a what? Atom. In that there is how many particles are there? 132 subatomic particles are there. What you understood now? Very, very small things are there in atom also. Atom is only not up here for our eye. Inside it there is also some particles are there. How many? 132 are there. Okay, clear or not? And that 132 we observed only for our chemistry purpose, especially 3 only. What is that? Electron, proton and as well as neutron. That's why these are called fundamental particles. Got it? This is only about states of matter. Understood all the students? Yes, there is how many states of matter? 5 states, not say 3 states only. What is that? Solid, liquid, gases, and yes, what is that? And plasma and condensation. Got it or? Yes? Understood or not all the students? Now we go further. Okay, and whatever the one tabular format is there. Okay, now what is that tabular format? Metals and as well as the non-metals. Yeah, students, about this we discuss later. Okay, then next week. Why? Because tomorrow our class will completed. Yes, next week again you have FA1 exam, FA2 examinations somewhat. Okay, now may the classes or may not run. Okay, now yes, our classes. That is why we go to page number 9. Somewhat yes, practice sheets are there. Okay, somewhat practice sheets are there. Once go with the page number 9, all the students. I want to give the answers and explanation for you. There is already our time completed. Okay, now, but there is only just I want to take a 5 to 10 minutes time. Okay, which state of matter does the picture shows here? Okay, they given what very close atoms like that. Okay, now that is the what solid. Okay, very near with one another. That is the what solid actually. Got it or not? First answer is the what? A. What is the state of matter? Does this picture show somewhat? It is a liquid. Looks like a liquid. That is not that much of near compared with above. Next third one is the what? Gas. Got it or not? Yes. Answer is C for third one. Second one answer is a B. First one answer is A. A, B, C. Okay, clear up. And next, what is the best definition of temperature? Yes, I am not also given this. Temperature definition is what you know. Yes, hotness or coldness. Degree of hotness and as well as the coldness. Okay, that is only called temperature. How much it is hot or how much it is cold, that will be given by the any physical quantity. That is called temperature. When we touch ice, that will be cold, very cold. Okay, when we take a water at 100 degrees centigrade, very hot. Okay, may get bubble for our skin. Okay, when it is fall on us, that is hotness or as well as the coldness. Okay, now how hot or cold something is a measure of how fast the molecule are moving in a substance. How hot or cold something feels to a person. All of the above just means what? How hot or cold something is, not only the person. Okay, now yes, that is answer is A. Okay, fourth answer is what? No, A. Fifth answer. As temperature increases, what happened to the particles? Okay, they speed up, they slow down, they don't move. All the above are possibles. Okay, now when the temperature increases, they speed up now. Because of the speed up only, they go away from one another now. They speed up. Okay, and carries the heat or electricity. Yes, insulators, conductors, lusters, and beaters, which are conduct. Okay, now which are carries, they call conductors. Okay, which are not carries, the opposite, they call insulator. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and that is one. Next one, seventh one. Answer is sixth one is B. Seventh one, liquid particles are tightly packed, loosely bonded and flowing freely to fly in all directions, so hard that electrons are removed from the nucleus. No, it is a B is answer. Loosely bonded and a flowing. Liquid is a flows or not a flies, na? Okay, not tightly banded also. That seventh one answer is B. Okay, clear. Next, level 1 sheet and level 2 sheets, level 3 sheets. Yes, I will send the answer to you. Okay, now clear or not all the students? I'll send the answers. Otherwise, once ask your teachers. Okay, now any problems are there? If it is any problem, next class we'll discuss. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and this is only about our this first lesson. Okay, got it? Level 1, level 2, level 3, IIT advanced sheets are remaining in that. Okay, we'll discuss later. In the next week, we are going to discuss. Thank you, students. You have any doubts? Have any doubt? Please raise your hand. All the students, please raise your hand if you have any doubts. Thank you. Bye. Take care.